We'll guide you through how to change the font family in VS Code for a more personalized coding experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open VS Code on your computer and go to the bottom left corner where you'll see the gear icon that represents the settings. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new tab with a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Font Family to filter the settings. You should see an option labeled Editor Font Family under the Text Editor section. Now, click on the pencil icon next to it to edit. Here you can enter the name of the font you want to use. Make sure that the font you enter is installed on your computer, otherwise it won't be applied. If you want to use multiple fonts, separate them with a comma and VS Code will use the first available one. After entering your desired font, simply close the Settings tab. You should see the changes take effect immediately in your editor window. If the font doesn't change, double-check the font name for any typos and ensure it's installed correctly on your system. A quick tip: using a monospaced font can help with readability and alignment in coding. Some popular choices are VSCode, JetBrains Mono, and SourceCode Pro. Play around with different fonts to see which one you like best, as it can really enhance your coding environment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.